chairman.
Where the chairman dey? They don't collect for money for Fulani people. They kill our mama. Chairman, fuck you.
Give a chairman now. Where chairman? We are saying I they collect money from Fulani. If they collect money,
Who is the chairman?
Where the chairman go?
they sell us out. Where chairman?
Where's the chairman? Hey! I said, where's the chairman? Where else? Where in there?
This is Security Network. We are here in Enugu West looking for one of the chairman that has been selling
Chairman, hey. See, where's the
our land, collecting money from Fulani herdsmen. We are here, but he ran away. He ran away. We are here to get him, but he ran away.
Where chairman dey?
You come back. You come back. Where's the chairman? Where's the chairman?
Chairman Bata, you see na ibi ozo na iweti ya. Ya ga-eme ya. Ani doro ikwu ya.
2021, the end to every saboteurs in Igbo land. It is a Sabo year, and every effort will continue to be in place to end all the sabotage efforts ongoing in Igbo land. We've endured a lot of people selling out information to enemies, especially in Ebonyi State. A lot should be done in that Ebonyi State. Do you remember the time that the federal government gave Fulani herdsmen 100 billion? That time, part of that money was moved down to Ebonyi State and procured massive lands for these Fulani herdsmen. So I think this effort should be intensified in Ebonyi State, because Ebonyi State is another place that needed attention. Sabotage is in mass in that place. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, share your views in the comment section, and stay tuned.